all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside the big ass, I get that big ass.
Hey queens and kings, welcome back to today's vlog. I don't think it's gonna be a vlog, pretty much gonna be a dedicated video of me doing the kitchen, trying to do a little rearranging, making it feel bigger, look a little different, modernize it too as well. Just open it up, cause I feel like this, y'all know I ain't got much space to work with, so I'm working with a monster here. And I'm trying to downsize this monster. But I'm trying to open it up, give myself more counter space. And I think I'm gonna swap some things around and add a little fruit things, take away a few things. So let's go ahead and get started with that in the kitchen, because here Andre in the background just calling me just to be calling me. So let me attend to him, then I start on this. Okay? All right. So this is what I'm gonna use to go on the back of my wall here. Only reason I'm pretty much using because I bought them for the other apartment and I never did got a chance to use them. But for whatever reason, I feel like this kitchen a little bit smaller than that one. I don't know why, but I'm gonna utilize these, put them on here, just put a little more texture, design, and besides, they have this high gloss too as well. So, and my cabinets have this high gloss, so I think it's gonna be cute. Put a little contrast to the wall, bring it out, make it pop a little bit, make it modernize it. Is that a word? If not, we just made up one. But yeah, this is what we're gonna use. So I am done with my Dollar Tree DIY backsplash. If you guys want to see the entire video, check it out on my main channel, which is Valerie Glamorous Castle DIY. Over there, you could get the full details about it and things like that. But yeah, so that's how this look, and I think it does give the back kitchen like this little modern feel or look. So just for a couple dollars, I don't think I spent no more than, for this amount here, I didn't spend no more than $20, honestly, because it was $1 when I first got them. I had got these, like I said, for the old apartment. I was gonna use them and I never did, and I use them. You guys know why. Boom, we here now. We about to get ready to go ahead and decorate it and everything. Okay. All right, y'all, so I got my robe on still, and the reason I got my robe on is because it's cold as hell in the house. And if you turn the heater on, and by have not been on so long, you get that little smoky feel, the smoky smell, and the fire thing goes off. Now I could go back old school and turn the oven on, but I'm in the kitchen doing a little razzle dazzle. So you get it. God, don't worry about my ashes hands. But that's why I have my good robe on, girl. It's so cozy. I'm cold, y'all. It's cold outside. Child, we closed the window, but we had the windows open last night like crack. So we ain't got to turn our AC on and stuff like that. Child, it was cold as hell in this house. Ooh, child. Ooh. I thought I broke a nail. Okay. Look at that. You can't even see the plug or nothing back there, which is perfect. So this is what I'm thinking about, just keeping the microwave here. And I think I am going to put the cereal thing and all that stuff over that side. So this is the side that I'm thinking about putting everything. I had already wiped everything down with the Lysol bleach stuff. So yeah. Let's see. I don't want it to look too crowded. That's my thing. Put this back right here. I had that like that. That give me this little bit of space. That's all it gives me though, but I got other stuff that I put on the counter. That's what's gonna bother me. Like my knife set. Should I, because I still gotta put the spoons and fork thing up here too. Gary, that bothered me. What if I turn this diagonal like that? Put the spoon and fork thing there. I don't know, I need to go get it from outside because I took the because I'm not gonna use the pot holder no more because I'm gonna keep it for my plant, and I can't find another one. Target have not brought none in. I can't find none online that I really like it, so I have to wait till I find some more bases or whatever for my plants over there. So, but it's gonna be too much. I don't like how that look. Let me go get that so I can put the spoons and stuff back in there. Maybe it won't be so bad, or maybe I could put that back over there. I don't know. Let's go get it. And I'm gonna take them off from up there. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with them first. But this thing here, this is a ice bucket from the Dollar Tree, and I spray painted silver. Hopefully it's not being washed out or nothing, or me being washed out.
That's not silver, that's gold.
Yes, you're right, baby. Gold. Sorry, you're right. You're right. Yeah. He be on it. Y'all know Andre always in the picture somewhere. Okay, so this is what we have. This is what I'm not liking. I'm not liking it. I'm saying this is not what I'm liking. I'm not liking this just line up like that. It's still giving me the color look. If I have the space in between, I'm fine with that. So I'm gonna see can I fit these back over here. Push that over as best as I can and fit this right there. Okay, now that's better to me. Over the able to open the microwave and everything. So leave that like that, and that's pretty much gonna be that. I may find some type of greenery or something to fit over there, but other than that, I think that's it. Oh no, that's not it. So I am gonna find some type of greenery or something, because I still have this thing here for my, to cook with my olive oil and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put something else here just so it can set up as 3, so it won't be just awkward or whatever. So matter of fact, what I'm gonna put, I think I'm gonna find like a green plant or something to put there. Found one, and bam, that's gonna be that, and that's gonna be cute just like that. I got my little salt and pepper shaker that I use, these little perfume salt and pepper shakers. Wine bottlers, salt and pepper shakers, and my spoon rests. Just like that. Now, the kitchen had pretty much got a facelift.
There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand makes me tremble within. Love the smell of your hair.
Okay, so now that I did the kitchen, that part of the kitchen, I gotta get rid of all this stuff here. Okay, so this is the second catch-all. And that's exactly what it is, a catch-all. Wait, Andre, Jasmine, stop. Y'all want some kids? You sure?
That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. 'cause that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask?
All right, queens and kings, so here's the kitchen, and I love it. I love how everything look and how it turned out. Pretty much the look that I'm going for, and it's beautiful. So I decided to put the mirrors there. So obviously I done moved the mirror from where they was before and decided to put them there. That's opening up the kitchen a little bit more. You guys know I gotta have some mirrors going some everywhere, but I want to do something a little bit jazzy up. I had the one there before and I liked how it looked, and I wanted to put two there. I took the other three from the other location, so yeah, which that would be a separate video for you all. But anyway, so here for the bar area, I decided not to put nothing on the bar because I want the kitchen, the backsplash, that to be the focus point. I want to pull you in pretty much and stuff like that, and I think I have done that. Jasmine loved the way how the kitchen look, even with it's the backsplash, the DIY backsplash. I like how it look. How long it will be up there, I don't know. I like to decorate, I like to change, I like new feels, new looks and vibes. So yeah, that can come down in at the end of the next 3 months. I don't know what's going on out there. And forget the doors to the background, that's the dryers going off. So up here, George, turn it off right quick. So up here, I just have this DIY bowl that I made. It was black. I spray painted it gold. I did not show you guys that. I just put some crystals and some paperweight of diamonds and stuff in it. And then I got these little grapes here that I got from Z Gallery. So I think this is beautiful. And like I said, I just wanted something simple. I didn't want nothing up there because I want the kitchen itself to pretty much be the focal point or whatever. So yeah, you guys know where I got these lovely bar stools from. Homery. I will link it down below. Check them out. So in the kitchen area here, I have not put nothing in the soap pump yet. I mean, what is this? Hand sanitizer. I think I want to put in there, or probably lotion. No, I won't put hand sanitizer in there. I just have dish soap in there now. And over here in this area here, I made like a little venue area where I have the paper towel holder, and this paper towel holder is from Amazon, which I will have it linked down below. I don't think I showed you guys that. And I got my little cake stand here, little dessert stand, because they can't hold no cake in it unless it's something real tiny and small. And this candle holder here with I have the Airwick freshener and stuff in there. So yeah, I love how they look. Now over here, this area here, I mean, I'm loving how this little backsplash look. Jasmine love it too. She gave me a compliment on it, so that's why I said it. What is another new item in the kitchen is this spoon holder here. Andre, I told you to turn that off. What is another new item in the kitchen is basically spoon holder here that I got from Amazon. I will link that down below as well. So this is pretty much how the kitchen turned out. Oh, the bucket I told you guys, I think I explained it. I spray painted that. That's the ice bucket from Dollar Tree. I spray painted it gold, and bam, bam, love it. This is all, and I decided to put my chopper boards back there. And I like this little vignette. I like how this look. Now Dre have not seen none of this, but he was here when I was doing this part here. Once again, if you guys want to see how I did it or whatever, how, you know, more details about it, check out my DIY channel, Valerie Glamorous Castle DIY. Check it out. These here are salt and pepper shakers that I got from Z Gallery. I love how they look. And then I put my knife in, you know, the microwave from Walmart. So yeah, I like this. I like how it look. Now I'm gonna change these rugs here. I actually may put my faux hide rug there. I just gotta put something up on it so it won't slip, nothing like this slide. But yeah, this is the kitchen makeover facelift here for 2022.